gallop. So first up, running. What we need to remember is we are going to pump our arms as we run. And we're also going to bring our knees nice and high quickly at the same time. So jumping is when we keep our knees and our feet close together, and we're going to jump off both feet at the same time, landing back on our toes. Feet together. Use your arms to help you jump nice and high. You can also jump sideways. Keep those feet and knees together. Hopping is great to practice from both feet, so either off your right foot or your left foot, and you're going to hop up off the ground and land back onto your toes on the same foot. And my left leg. So when we're skipping, we're going to hop off one foot, land back on the same foot, and then switch feet. Remember to use your arms to help you to hop and skip nice and high. Now leaping is when we jump off of one foot on our toes and we land with the other foot back on our toes. So taking a small run up, here we go. Push off nice and high with your toes. Galloping is when we have one leg out straight in front and the other leg behind, and we move forward, keeping the same foot in front and the same foot behind with straight legs. Here we go. You can switch legs, leading.